Home service businesses, if you aren't converting website traffic into paying customers, you're most likely missing 3 of these 7 elements. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what your business needs to turn your website browsers into buyers. And most of you are missing out on massive opportunity because your website looks good, but it isn't designed for conversion. And just one of these elements increases your top line revenue opportunity by 100%. I mean, you don't take my word for it. Just look right here what Google has to say about it. And here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to show you the exact 7 elements missing from your website, exactly what you can do about it to fix it, and give you a checklist at the very end so that your website starts focusing on conversion instead of just looking good for a random scroller. Most websites say, "Welcome to the page. We're the #1 thing in this area." Good job. That's not a value proposition. That's a placeholder. Your value proposition needs to address exactly what you do for them and how you're different from everybody else. A bad example: "Welcome to our pretty HVAC website." Here's a great example: "Same day HVAC repair for homeowners in San Diego. Guaranteed fix in 4 hours or your service is free." See the difference? Make sure that second one is the first thing they see on your website. Number 2 is pretty simple. Make sure it's clear and concise. That is the website. You don't want them running around like the Blair Witch Project, confused what's up from down. No, make it simple. Homepage, services you provide, service area, maybe a blog for articles, and how the hell they contact you. And ensure on the homepage they have a little bit about you, some client testimonials, probably some pricing, and the ability to check out FAQ, frequently asked questions. Element number 3 is social proof. By just having social proof, which means great reviews, either digital, like text message, 5-star Google reviews, or actual client testimonials on your page, you can increase your sales by up to 20% because you build trust before they ever show up to a call. You don't have to have a ton here, just have your top 3 to 5 client testimonials. Element number 4 is a clear call to action. 9 out of 10 businesses want more conversion, but when I take a look at their website, I can't see anywhere where I can book a call with them. Pro tip: make sure that your call to action is a button, not a link. By just having a clear call to action, we increase sales rates by up to 40%. Click-through rates rise 220% by just having a clear call to action button. It is an essential element on every website that provides a service. Be specific. Book a call. Book a free consultation. Contact us. Get a free estimate. And element number 5 is probably the single fastest way to increase top-line revenue for any business: auto missed call to text. The brutal truth is response times from businesses is way too slow. Google states if you can respond in under 5 minutes, your opportunity for sale increases several hundred%. It's like 300+% opportunity to close a sale. So if you can respond in under 5 minutes automatically, it is the single best behavior change or system improvement for any website. Simply, someone picks up the phone, they can call your number, right? We have an automation. There's nobody going to answer. You're busy on job. But what does it do? The automation replies back with AI and says, "Hey, we're busy right now. Is there something that I can help you with right at the moment?" The client will usually respond back, "Yeah, I'd like to book a free estimate." "No problem. Here's the link." And then go self-book a free estimate. Or the AI can auto message them back and forth to close the call. "No problem. What's your zip code?" "Oh, I'm in 92104. Awesome. What's your telephone number?" "And is this you, John? John is your full name?" "Yeah. When's a good time for you? Does 2 p.m. work today?" 2 p.m. works, and the AI will auto book them all the way into a scheduled call. It is paramount. Technology is in place to do that for you today. Quick response is paramount. If your business is responding slow, then you have a problem. Actually, this reminds me, I walk around my neighborhood here, I check out the business trucks, all the service businesses, windows, automotive repair, roofers, electricians, plumbers, it doesn't matter. Pick the niche. I'll call every single one of them. 0 response. I mean, that number is big as day on the side of their truck. No response, no one picks up, no follow-up. Every single time. If they just solved that one problem, their business would double. Element number 6, auto booking system. Stop using basic forms and back and forth emails to communicate with potential clients. It's so much more beneficial to use something like Google Calendars. One, it's free, but then it also prevents double bookings and the back and forth endless communication with the client to get them onto the calendar. Element number 7 is live chat. And 96% of clients that visit a website aren't ready to book today, but they're more than willing to chat back and forth about your services. In our system, we set up AI that's backed by all your FAQ, and it simply nurtures back and forth and answers the potential client's questions real time. And then if they would like to book, it can schedule them a booking automatically. And the coolest part is the automation can also include audio messages or video messages. Now this really works. I have clients that find me through local SEO, Google search, come to my website, chat with my AI system, and then auto book calls 100% autonomous. I never interact. Of course, when they book, I get a message on my phone that says, hey, someone just filled out your lead form from the chat. Give them a call back, and then I'll pick up the phone and call them back, or have one of my staff pick up the phone and call that lead. Hey, what is it that's going on? I just see that you booked a thing. Is this accurate? And this time still good for you? 100%. Do you have any questions while I have you on the phone? I'll ask them at the sales call or whatever. No problem. Look, and these updates to websites really work is because I book clients every day with my own website set up exactly like what we provide for service businesses. Clients search something online, they find my website organically, and then they self-book. They pick up the phone or they chat. I get leads from every one of those systems for free. These 7 elements really work. I've helped service businesses use these exact elements and strategies to help scale their businesses to significant amount of revenue every single month. To get these updates applied to your website, the good news is it's 100% free if you're watching this video. All you simply have to do is cover the subscription cost to cover the tech and all the automations and AI that are plugged into your website. That sounds like something you want. Hit the link below to learn more.